Hello Sewmate, today I'll be illustrating how to pattern draft a dotted sleeve block. My name is Malcolm Oluwafumilaya of Mother by Malcolm. So what you need to do is to have your sleeve block available. When you have it done like I have mine, all you need to do is to take your wrist measurement, and by the time you have your wrist measurement marked out, whatever you have left, distribute it to the left and to the side, that is the center front and the center back. Roll it across, just I have illustrated here, because we'll be taking that excess out. So I have that done now. At the heaven line, the middle, I measured out 1.5 centimeter. Why? Because we want to create a dot on that line. And at the hem, I also measured 1.5 centimeter. Then forward, I measured 4 centimeter for the dot creation. Then I connect the line so that I can actually review the dots, how big the dot is. Then at the elbow on the center back, I marked the length at which I want my dart, which is about 4 centimeter to 5 centimeter inward. So I'm going to slash the elbow where the dart will be transferred to, and for me to be able to close the dart at the end properly, I'm going to slash so we can close properly. So I have it closed in this direction. I'm going to tape it down with my nylon tape. When I have it down, all I need to do is to secure the dart closed properly. Then I'm going to place another paper underneath my pattern in order for me to redraw the line. So remember, this side I'm working on is the center back. So you don't mix it up, is the center back. That is why I have B at the top and I have F on the other side, which is indicating that the F represent the center front and the B represent the center back. So we are done with this. You can see it is very short. Thank you for watching. See you in